Hi, I am Dr. Rajasekhar M R. I am a colorectal surgeon for the past 25 years and a general surgeon for the past 40 years. There are many varieties of rectal suppositories used for different purposes. A suppository is like a tablet type of thing. Usually it will be in a form like a bullet-like thing, which is inserted through the anus into the rectum. So there are main two varieties are there. One is to cause some local effect there. Supposing somebody is constipated, we use rectal suppositories containing some sort of medication which will help in clearing the constipation. The motions will come out easily. That is the commonest variety of rectal suppositories we use. There are some medications which can be given through the suppositories. So some of the painkillers like diclofenac and all, there are suppositories which are inserted into this one instead of going orally. People who have acidity problem and all, they can use rectal suppository form of painkillers and other medications which are available in that form. But they are known to cause even irritation there, and the diclofenac suppositories are not as safe as they promote. They can cause what we call as a proctitis and problems in the intestines. So suppositories are the different type of medication. Instead of giving orally tablets, we put it into the rectum. So these are the different varieties of rectal suppositories.